hear him on my left over here. I'm just worried because I saw him over here before, but I lost him because I got killed. I was gonna kill him with fucking ATGM, but he's disappeared from that scene. Fucking get this guy. I hear him shooting like crazy.
Yeah, that's down in the valley somewhere. That's maybe about 500 away from
I see
you.
a guy with ATV over there. I don't know. Do you see him at all? I don't know what your name is.
Negative.
Hopefully somebody took care of that fucking Bradley. Where's that guy with the sticker at? Look at the right. Oh no, you got your own right. I hear it.
Right, I've got audible in front of me, so it's somewhere in the valley in front of you to your right side if you're still up on that hill.
I don't know if he forgot to kill on me yet or not, because he hasn't shot in a while.
See somewhere in this blue thing that I'm marking, he's somewhere in there.
You have a lot of friendly. I think he might have been killed. I saw fire over here, and maybe he just got murdered.
Not a negative, he's close to me,
Where?
Right, eyes on him, he's bearing 26.
Fuck, I just got shot at. I need to move. On my ass, I think.
No, north, east, on the opposite hill. Change the position of the map, he's right in front of me.
I have visual on an Abrams. I can't. He's gonna kill me before I can kill him. Ah, 7v2. Mountain right behind, in front of me.
Okay, He's 15 metres in front of me. That's a good lays.
Any news on the Abrams on the hill or no? She's by Mark. Unless he prays.
It's getting late just now, and we've got a little bird having shit out it.
And a parachute.
There's you behind you. Team. Hey, come to base, come to base. Maybe 3 cars or no?
That Abram's still alive.
Abrams is on my location right in front of me. He's trying to... He just ran over the hill.
Trying to look for him.
He's right in front of me.
I do not have eyes on him. I feel like if I get closer.
He's running off.
Not him. I'm gonna move closer.
Dead.
And my car's stuck.
Abrams the crew again. I'm not sure. You kill yourself.
Mark, I can get you out. You satchel this thing and I'll get you out.
Sacrifice myself to a thing and blow it up.
Oh, he's dead. Abrams is dead.
I need somebody over here. My thing is stuck. The fucking car.